Uba Preston tensong Menteri Rangba Benrap ke Jela Meghalaya henne ka lai phuai tarik unailar ula pentip ba ka sarkar jela kala jit ya ki kat ni kijaka kentup lang ya kijaka yang kali 10 na ka benta ke jingsong dukan kinong dia madan. Uba Preston ula pentip ru ba kitu kinong song madan kibanyo bande jingde ha kini kijaka bala jit da ka sarkar kende tang kitu ki bala thep keteng ha CEO ka Shillong Municipal Board bat ka Deputy Commissioner jongka East Castle Sesreng.
Urban Affairs Department has made a detailed presentation, and even we would like to go for a permanent solution to this effect. However, temporarily they identified few places including polo parking lot, which is to be converted into a vending zone. Okay, and these places will accommodate those registered vendors or hawkers who registered themselves through the appropriate authority. One is through the vending committee headed by the CEO of Shillong Municipal Board, and number 2 is through the vending committee headed by the Deputy Commissioner. So today we decided to start accommodating these registered hawkers in the places where identified jointly by the Deputy Commissioner and also the Urban Affairs Department.